Let me make sure everything is set up, and we'll proceed with our prime cuts break. Alrighty. So let's get started. This is our wonderful 2016 Panini Prime Cuts box. Just like with all of our random player breaks, list everybody in random.org in the order of which they'll purchase their spots. We will randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Alrighty. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Mark H in the top spot. And we've got John A in the bottom. I'm just going to cut and paste this over to the right and sort by everybody's names. We'll scroll through our list so everybody knows who they have before we start the break. Alrighty. Alrighty. Now that we've been through our list, let's open our box and see what we have. Good luck, everybody. All right, our first card is Oral Hershiser Biography Jersey, and that is serial numbered 37 of 99. His serial number's right there by his feet. Nice jersey card denoting his scoreless inning streak back in '88. Our next card is Dave Winfield dual swatch back card from the Icon set, and that's serial numbered 42 of 49. Our next card is a Mariano Rivera jersey card, and that's serial number 24 of 149. Our next card is Tom Murphy triple jersey swatch autograph rookie card, and that is serial number 95 of 99. I have to say I like how they switch up those jersey colors for the triple swatches on these. Very nice. It's a nice touch. And our last card in our box, Bobby Thompson cut signature. How about that? Nice cut signature card, and that is serial numbered 80 of 99. And obviously it looks like that is cut off of a check. How cool is that? Nice cut signature. I believe these are one per case, if I'm not mistaken, or one per every 5-box case. Very nice. Well, let's go back and see who got which cards. So our Oral Hershiser biography jersey card goes to Jim T. Congrats on that, Jim. Our Dave Winfield dual back card serial number to 49 goes to Jeff F. Congrats on that. And then our Mariano Rivera jersey card to 149 goes to Woody. Congrats on that, Woody. And then our Tom Murphy triple jersey rookie autograph to 99 goes to Daniel F. Congrats on that. And then our Bobby Thompson cut signature goes to Fred. Hey, congrats on that, Fred. How about that? Not too shabby. Not too shabby. All right. Let's take another quick look at our box there. All right. Little Oral Hershiser. Nice cut signature. Going out to Fred. Little Tom Murphy triple jersey rookie auto. That's right. Woody getting the Sandman. And then our Dave Winfield Icons back card with a nice jersey number serial. They're the nice jersey number die cuts. Not too shabby. Nice box. Like that cut sig. Well, all right. That concludes our Prime Cuts Baseball Random Player 1 box break number 1. Thanks to all of you that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate it. Appreciate getting this one sold out. Thanks to everybody that joined us live on the feed for the break as always. That's always half the fun. And we'll be back here in about 20 minutes with our SB Game Used Hockey break. Thanks again, y'all. I'll set it right there. Well, that wasn't too shabby. It was nice pulling a cut in that. That was a very pleasant surprise. Very pleasant surprise.